Today, electronics companies rely on cloud-ready applications to create next-generation products and are digitally transforming how the electronics value chain unlocks the full innovative potential of systems design companies all over the world. To deliver innovative products, development teams depend on a robust ecosystem, an ecosystem that forms a value chain of solutions that link your company to component manufacturers, component suppliers, PCB assembly partners, design service companies, and collaborative tools. For component research, the PartQuest portal provides a searchable catalog of over 8 million parts, model content, and wizards that can drop part content directly into the design. For concept exploration, PartQuest Explorer provides a cloud-based circuit simulation, modeling, and analysis design environment for electronic and mechatronic circuits and systems. For component sourcing, the supply chain application empowers engineers with real-time component sourcing data to make more informed part decisions when the cost of change is lowest. Design analysis management with Connect for PAS Professional in the cloud, the collaborative PCB design environment that enables you to connect to all key stakeholders and disciplines involved in your designs from anywhere at any time. And for manufacturing, through PCB Flow, accelerates the design to manufacturing handoff process by connecting designers directly with manufacturers to run DFM analysis during the earliest stages of the design process. Discover how the electronic system design and manufacturing within Siemens EDA provides the cloud-ready ecosystem applications your company needs to bring tomorrow's designs to market today.